Let's divide 440 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our awesome math quests. All right, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 440, which is 4. We'll use this digit for our first step. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4. Perfect. Now we subtract 4 from 4, which leaves us with 0. No remainder here. Great job, you're doing amazing. Now let's move to the next digit in 440. Welcome back to our next step. We're tackling the second digit of 440, which is 4. We bring down the next digit 4 to join our remainder of 0, making it 4. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 4? You guessed it, 2 times. Let's multiply. 2 times 2 equals 4, exactly what we need. Subtracting 4 from 4 gives us 0. Another remainder of 0, fantastic. Woohoo, you're crushing this. Keep up the fantastic work. We have one more digit to go. Let's see what's next. Here we are at the final digit. It's a 0. We bring down the last digit 0 to join our remainder of 0, making it just 0. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times, easy peasy. Let's check. 0 times 2 is indeed 0. Subtracting 0 from 0 leaves us with 0. We've reached the end. You did it. You've successfully completed all the steps. We've divided 440 by 2. Look at your amazing work. So 440 divided by 2 equals 220. We just conquered dividing 440 by 2, step by step. Remember, every big problem can be solved by breaking it down into smaller, manageable parts. Keep practicing, and you'll become a long division superstar. That's all for today, awesome mathematicians. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep dividing. See you in the next video on Let's Stud.